Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm just gonna check if everything is in. Yep, it's good. Right, now this video is part of the On the Way to 27 playlist, which is basically a, for those who new to the channel, a year-long quest or documentary of a year-long quest which happens in 2026. So that's one of the reasons it's on the way to 27. So it's kind of as we're moving towards the year 2027, but more deeply, the idea is that I would like to get around 90% stick rate on video, which I done twice so far, which is I'm really proud of it. But my weekly practice sits on a low 80s. Actually last week it was actually almost like mid 70s, 70%. So I want to get that better, and I really want that, so want to get to that magic 90% or better. Now 90% or better is 27 sticks out of 30 throws. So on the way to 27, on the way to achieving 27 sticks. Now last but not least, maybe it is least, the idea was to do a video test every 2 weeks. So there should be 26 test videos within this series. Unfortunately, there was like a 3 weeks gap for personal reasons. I wasn't able to throw for about a week. Yeah, it is what it is. So yes, I will try to make 26 videos, but we'll see. I mean, most likely it's going to flow into year 2027. So anyway, test video. Now the parameters, I'm using screwdrivers because I wanna get to that magic 90% before I break all the handles, okay, before I run out of my current stock, because you can't get these screwdrivers anymore, and these are my old favorites that I started no spin throwing with. Actually, I started military half spin with these. Anyway, the other test parameter is 3.2 meter, to ensure that doesn't matter even if I step in a little bit, I'm still behind the 3 meter line. Also running test or competition rules: if the screwdriver falls out of the target before I retrieve it or get knocked out by another one, it's a fail. That's a fail. Okay, that counts as a not non-stick. And the most important, this is a one take, so there is no, even if it's gonna be like a 60% stick rate or whatever else, doesn't matter how bad or how good it is, this is one take. On test day there is one take, there's no retakes. So with that in mind, let's get into this. So make sure the counter has been reset. Edge of the carpet, that's the 3.2 meter mark. And it's a 6 set of 5 throws. Right. So that was a typical Robin Hood, when the screwdriver hit the other screwdriver's handle. That's why these have tape on them. That's one way to destroy a screwdriver handle, by making a crack in it. I need to retape it soon. That's why I'm trying to aim at the squares. It's not always working out the way I want it. 'Halfway through, 2 miss, so 2 miss out of 15. Four miss, excellent. So 4 miss out of 20. Six miss out of 25. Sweet, so 6 miss out of 30 throws. 6 is 24. That's an 80% stick rate. So it's not the best, but not the worst. It's quite nice to see the if you follow the channel, you see the different tests. There are the tests up and down a little bit, but it's not bad. I mean, 80% could be worse. Now this is what I'm talking about, Robin Hooding. The plastic is start to split, but I'm going to put some more tape on it to and increase the life of the handle. But anyway, it's not the worst test I've done. It's okay, but it does shows that yeah, still got lots of work to do until I get a 90% average. I can get one-offs, but the average is really hard, or at least for me at the moment. But anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.